Have you ever stopped to think? Why two people can face the exact same challenge, but only one comes out stronger? One gives up, the other grows. One sees a wall, the other sees a ladder. It's not about talent. It's not about luck. It's mindset. Your mindset is the filter through which you experience everything. It shapes your beliefs, your emotions, your decisions, and ultimately, your life. You don't get to control everything that happens to you, but you do get to choose how you respond. And that one choice changes everything. Welcome to You Are Undefeated. Today, let's find out together what is mindset. Let's get started. 1. What is mindset, really? Mindset is the lens through which we perceive the world and ourselves, shaping our thoughts, actions, and ultimately, our destinies. It is the belief that our abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. This growth mindset fuels resilience, encouraging us to embrace challenges and learn from failures rather than fear them. In contrast, a fixed mindset confines us, stifling potential and growth. Embracing a growth mindset opens doors to endless possibilities, fostering a lifelong journey of learning and self-discovery. 2. Fixed versus growth mindset. In a small town, two friends, Anna and Mark, approached their studies differently. Anna embraced challenges, believing that hard work could expand her abilities. When she faced a difficult math problem, she spent hours researching, asking for help, and ultimately mastered it. This growth mindset fueled her confidence and resilience. Conversely, Mark viewed his struggles as a reflection of his limited intelligence. When faced with the same problem, he gave up, convinced he wasn't good at math. His fixed mindset stunted his potential, highlighting how our beliefs profoundly shape our paths. 3. The power of perspective. Anna and Mark, two friends navigating their academic journeys, illustrate how perspective shapes experience. Anna, embracing a growth mindset, sees challenges as stepping stones. Each struggle fuels her determination, allowing her to master difficult subjects, which in turn boost her confidence. Mark, however, views obstacles through a fixed lens, perceiving them as threats. His fear of failure keeps him from engaging fully, leading to missed opportunities. Through their contrasting approaches, it becomes clear how we choose to view challenges can profoundly influence our growth and achievements. 4. Your mindset creates your future. My mindset has always acted as a compass, guiding my decisions and shaping my future. I remember the turning point when I chose to view challenges not as threats, but as opportunities for growth. This shift opened doors I never thought possible. Each setback became a lesson, fueling my resilience and igniting my passion for learning. Conversely, I witnessed friends stagnate, paralyzed by their fear of failure. Their fixed mindset kept them from exploring their potential. Ultimately, my belief in growth has shaped not just my journey, but my destiny itself. 5. Mindset is a daily choice. Every day presents a choice: to embrace a growth mindset or succumb to limitations. When I wake up, I remind myself that each challenge is an opportunity in disguise, fueling my determination to learn and grow. This perspective transforms how I approach my tasks, turning obstacles into stepping stones. By fostering positivity, I find myself more patient with others, encouraging them to rise above their fears too. As I choose resilience, I not only shape my journey, but also inspire those around me to embrace their potential and create a ripple effect of growth. 6. The invisible force behind success. Success often feels like a distant dream, yet it is often driven by an invisible force: mindset. Take Anna, who embraced challenges as stepping stones. When faced with a tough exam, she didn't shy away. Instead, she saw it as a chance to deepen her understanding. Mark, on the other hand, viewed failure as a reflection of his abilities, retreating into self-doubt. The contrast between their journeys highlights how embracing a growth mindset can turn obstacles into opportunities, forging paths to achievement. Ultimately, our daily choices shape this mindset, leading to transformative growth. 7. How mindset changes everything. Mindset shapes our reality, influencing every aspect of our lives. Take Anna and Mark, for instance. Anna approaches challenges with a growth mindset, seeing failures as stepping stones to success. When she struggles with math, she dedicates extra time to practice, transforming frustration into improvement. Mark, however, clings to a fixed mindset, fearing failure and avoiding difficult subjects. This leads him to miss opportunities for growth. As Anna flourishes academically, Mark remains stagnant, illustrating how embracing a positive mindset can truly transform one's journey, unlocking potential and paving the way for a brighter future. The truth is, your mindset is either your greatest weapon or your greatest enemy. It will push you forward or hold you back. Every time you doubt yourself, every time you feel like giving up, you have a choice. Stay the same or rise. So ask yourself, right now, what kind of mindset am I building? Because the life you dream of starts with the mindset you choose today. You are undefeated. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos.